Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will tackle an age-old printer problem. What to do if the printer is printing blank pages. For a more in-depth look, check out the article down below. Before we get started, these are a few generic suggestions you can try. Different OEMs and models of printers might have other fixes to attempt. Be sure to also check out the manual and the OEM website for more troubleshooting tips. Start by using an oldie but goodie. Restart your printer. Like many computer and computer-related problems, sometimes turning it off, then waiting about a minute to turn it back on can correct the problem. Run the Printer Troubleshooter. Let's eliminate a software issue. Go to Settings. Go to Update and Security. Go to Troubleshoot. Additional Troubleshooters. Find the Printer Troubleshooter and run it. Follow any on-screen prompts. Restart your system when finished. You might be getting blank pages because your ink is low. Check your OEM manual on how to check your printer ink level. Some machines will still try to print even with little or no toner. If the printer is a color printer, try changing the color of the item to be printed to a new color and see if it works. Then replacing the cartridges is your answer. Have you not used your printer in a while? Then check the print heads. After extended time of sitting, the ink and print heads may dry and clog. Unfortunately, there is not a manual way to unclog them, and the steps vary from machine to machine. Check in your printer menu for how to accomplish this in your device. Check your printing preferences. Open your printer and scanner settings and make sure that preferences are all in order. Adjusting those could solve the problem. Did you just replace the ink and still printing blank pages? Then there is a possibility that you need to align the cartridge. This also will vary from printer to printer, but is highly recommended every time you change the cartridge. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.